Hey guys, in this video we will be seeing what is TechMeet and how to participate for hackathons, and end of the video I'm giving you small surprise for you.
Have you ever heard people say there's a tech meetup happening and wondered what actually happens there? Because when I first heard tech meetup, I honestly thought it was just a group of people sitting somewhere and talking about technology. But it's actually much more than that. A tech meetup is basically where people who are interested in the same technology come together to learn, share ideas, build things, and meet other people in the field. You could have developers talking about coding, someone showing a new AI project, a cybersecurity expert explaining something, or even students working together on an idea. And the interesting part is, it's not always just experienced professionals. Students can also find beginner-friendly meetups, workshops, hackathons, and community events. So who actually organizes these? Usually it can be developer communities, companies, startups, universities, or people who build communities around a particular technology. And there are different types too: meetups, tech talks, workshops, hackathons, and conferences. So the real question isn't just what is a tech meetup? It's where can we actually find these events? Can students join them? And what do we actually get from going?
So I started looking for these events, and I decided to break everything down into 3 places: local, across India, and online. First, let's start with what's closest to us: local events. If you're a student in Vijayawada or anywhere in Andhra Pradesh, you don't always have to travel to Bengaluru just to meet people in tech. There are meetups, workshops, hackathons, and tech communities happening around us too. The problem is, most of us don't even know where to find them. So I started checking where these events actually happen, who organizes them, whether students can join, and what you actually get by going. And I found a few places you can start looking at. I chose Hackathon because most of friends liked it, but don't know how to participate. First, I use Browser to search for the topic website. In this, I chose Unstop, and it's best. And click this link, and we will see the home page. And having career words, and on the top of the right side, we are seeing a login button. Click it, and we will see this login page. You can choose any method to log in. And next, we are going with my new email. And next, we have to choose I'm Candidate option as default and log in using it. And is for give some basic details. And it is for full name, mobile number, and next college name or school name if you're from the school. And add the basic details for the given data and accept the terms and conditions for the given data. Next, click Continue. We will see Find College Name. We can find the college name, search it, and click Finish. Now we are at Main page. If you see, it's full of jobs and internships, which is good for us. Next, we can see the profile. Next, we are going to see the competitions options. Click it. We will see many options, and as our priority as Hackathon, we will see that. It's your choice to choose, and I'm selecting a random one for the video. And this starting one for that Breakpoint Hackathon 2026, and click it. Next, we will be seeing the details of the hackathon. First, stages and timelines. It's saying idea submission. It's to identify a real-world problems, and we have some details. Final submission. We can, and it's time for the main thing, registration. And we can some already registered for it, so click that. Before that, we see event full details about the hackathon. Like dates and deadlines and contact. And we have rewards for the prizes and rewards, with certifications also. And now click Register. And they will ask
ask you to some more details for confirmation, like mobile OTP, and I have completed all the details. And click Next button. And now, finally, we have created the ARC team for it, and also registered the video for it. And now we can invite friends. We seek friends by online, and requests and all details for creating a fort. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video. See you in the next video.